Well, this machine keeps dying every 15 minutes. That's exactly what I thought would be in there. Gross. It's still having problems. It'll just stall out like it's running out of fuel only when the engine gets hot enough.
The reasoning for adjusting the valves is because as the engine gets hotter, the valves grow longer. And when the valves grow longer, the clearance between the valve and the lifter gets smaller. And if the clearance is too small and closes up when the engine gets hot, that may cause potential running issues and potentially have a valve that is just slightly open when the engine gets hot enough.
Not too bad. I think that'll work. New batteries installed. MT51R. I like how this rib design, or whatever this is called, creates the optical illusion like it's being squished. But it's not. Alright.